write the lights out and take the mic out. I got my flow right now. Oh, whoa, oh, whoa. I write my life down and with my sight now, I got my hair right somehow. Oh, whoa, oh, whoa. Hey, my life is different than the picture I painted. The pain and defer the pain, or maybe that's how I drain it, or maybe that's how I contain it till I spill it to you. You wrote me once and said I saved your life, you saved mine too. When depression was resting on my conscience like daily, I never second guessed my sanity. I knew I was crazy, but that crazy was good, because that crazy was Tommy. They tried to force the pharmaceuticals to reform and harm me, but I just did me and dove into art. I started draining, never seen a place I'm at from the start. But all in all, well, this is just a letter saying thanks. You take the words of imperfections and this the music it makes.
They couldn't hurt me or tell me, stop me from saying the things that I've been through. They couldn't hurt me or tell me, stop me from saying the things that I've been through. So let me drain my soul, so let me live my life, so let me just be me until the end of time. So let me do my job, so let me find myself. I do the best I can.
Hey, is it wrong to think that I can change a whole generation? I mean, my mind is racing, I'm impatient in tracing my scheme. Finger on the trigger when experiencing Cincinnati's metamorphosis, morphing importance that I store behind me. Hey, I'm thinking far-fetched, nothing is far-fetched. Far-fetched in my dreams, it seems the means are complex, more complex than I thought, and I'm becoming obsessed. I'm lucky I have my art from the start, I've been blessed. Hey, I play with words that curve and bend shadows. I'm learning pretty quick, the exposure is half the battle. The lighting ain't the lightning that I wanted to capture, but I still show the youth the truth with hopes I make it through the rapture. But hope won't do it, and neither will fear, and neither will arguing of what they say is real. So accept the views and then express where you stand. I'm like a single hit away from a spot that I'll never land.
They couldn't hurt me or tell me, stop me from saying the things that I've been through. They couldn't hurt me or tell me, stop me from saying the things that I've been through. So let me drain my soul, so let me live my life, so let me just be me until the end of time. So let me do my job, so let me find myself. I do the best I can.
It's a feeling I'm feeling, the universe on hold. I'm here for a purpose, searching for all the untold. My stress level's absent, I'm asking fashion and soul, but I'm cut from a cloth that they never wash or unfold. Whoa, this life is deeper than you know. For the times they beat you down, well, that's the moment that you grow. Don't overthink it, man, that's just how it goes. Take the moments of your highs and average those with your lows. Say, now that's life in a shell, and when they ask about your status, they ain't hoping for well. Hey, that's why I play these beats to train. Every syllable I write release a decibel of pain.
They couldn't hurt me or tell me, stop me from saying the things that